Let's review negative space, or also known as KISS, keep it simple. There's many different um, titles for the same exact compositional element. So here we have a simple frame or a clean frame. So we have a building and some clouds. Now negative space is very powerful, and it's where the central composition, in this case, is less subject and becomes more feeling. So here we have a bunch of apples on an empty table, a leaf on top of a leaf, one leaf on a fence, a mirror against an orange wall. KISS, keep it simple. So a lemon on a rail, or even like these rocks on the sand. But this is not keeping it simple or negative space, because it's a horde of acorns. So this would be a busy frame. We have texture. So we have smooth texture, rough texture, like the roughness of this bricks or these pavers, or more stones. Now that's soft texture, like a blanket or some clouds. Then we have the rules of odds. Rules of odds. So like one object, like one tree, one boat, 3 dice, 3 buttons, 3 horses. Now the thing about the rules of odd, we want 1 and 3. You don't want anything more than 3. 5, 7, those are odd numbers. But then it becomes a horde. We only want 1 and 3. So when we think of the rules of odd. Fill the frame. So fill the frame is where you get close and you make your subject a significant portion of the final photograph. So here we're looking at the sunflower. It's filling the entire frame, or this peacock, or this owl, or this elephant, the deer. It fills the entire frame. It's not one little tiny deer with an empty frame. The same thing with these trees. It's filling the entire frame. Viewpoint, where is the camera? So here on the left, eye level. What viewpoint do we see here? Bird's eye view, because up high, like a pigeon view or a hawk view, or down low, like worm's eye view. Once again, where is the camera in proportion to this frame? Ladybug view, duck view, foot view. So we have different eye levels. So worm's eye view, bird's eye view, eye level. Then we have Dutch tilt, also known as the canted angle, the oblique angle, or the German angle. There's many different titles, but it's usually in film noir where the frame is at an angle to cause interest and drama. So here we can see the person's foot at this angle, or looking up at this building, or looking up at this building with these people looking through the window, or this group of young boys and the way it's framed. Then we have a triangle, and there's many, or in this composition guide for beginners, also known as a pyramid. Now, there is a difference between a triangle and a V arrangement, because those are 2 separate things. So we're going to be concentrating on triangle. I also wanted to share with you, here's an app that you can have for your phone, but you don't really need to buy anything, but I liked it because it shows the different compositional elements. So we're talking about triangle. So the way that the head is positioned on the shoulders, forming a triangle. Triangles are really popular in Renaissance painting. We see quite a bit of triangles. Once you start looking, they just pop up everywhere. Triangle. And more triangles, and triangles within triangles with more triangles. Everywhere we look, triangles. Here's a movie still from Citizen Kane. The framing is a triangle, but also what other compositional elements are there? What other compositional elements do you see? We have a triangle, repeating elements, symmetrical. Here's another triangle, another triangle, and more movie stills, many triangles. Now remember, a triangle is where the point is on the top. The V is where the point is at the bottom of the frame. Very powerful compositional element. Here we have a V arrangement where the triangle, the point is at the bottom.